After the big storm, was out working, doing the truck driving thing. Finally made it back to my terminal, but on the way home, got stranded. Ended up staying up in a motel, maybe 6 miles from the house. Couldn't make it home. Everything was impassable. Well, we officially got, right now, 60 inches of snow, and they're calling for another 2 feet starting in a couple hours. You see the skies are pretty dark. I think we've had enough. This is probably as much snow as we get in an entire winter we're going to get in 3 days. One of the biggest lake effect storms ever hit. Want to go out there and play in the snow, Jed? You don't want to stay out here, do you? Yep. I think Mike's car is buried somewhere right here. Right down in here. Here's the middle of my street. No way to get through there. Like I said, we got 60 inches of snow. Take a look at that. Be a while for the plows ever be able to make it down here. Huh? You can barely see this guy's head sticking out there. Now Mike's got his work cut out for him with the shovel.